What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today me and Colt are at the pond and we're fishing. Hopefully, we can catch some fish. Before I got the camera out, I just caught a fish. It's a bluegill. So here, set up the camera here, and that shouldn't fall. And I'll take it off and show you guys. Just got a nice bluegill, So we'll put him back in the water, and we'll catch you guys on the next fish. Guys, I caught me another bluegill, and Colt's over here. I don't even know what he's doing. He's attempting to catch a fish, which he can't do. Yeah, anyways, trying not to hook myself. And there we go, guys. Got us another. This looks like a sunfish.
We got Buddy over here.
Yeah, we got old Jimmy over here. I don't know if you can't see. But, yeah. Old son's trying to... I don't even know what he's trying to do. But Colt's trying to catch a fish. And the score right now is 2-0. So, I'll cast a little. Right now I'm just fishing with it's a little 16th ounce spinner. It's a 16th ounce jig head with a blue and white worm. It's a blue body with a white tail, and then it's just on a spinner, and then on an open face reel. So I'll cast right now. Oh dang, I don't even know what I hit. Must have hit the Ranger, but it's fine. Right now I'm just casting out in this little hole right here. I just got a bite. And I didn't catch nothing on that. But, so I'll catch you guys if we catch another fish. But right now Colt's getting a bite, so... Yeah, anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next fish. Colt caught him a fish finally on a spinner bait.
He's a big old sucker. Good fillet size.
Yep, he caught him a fish. There you go. Holding him up. That's the biggest fish we caught in the day.
Spinner bait. See how big he is. Out right there. Solid half pounder.
That ain't no high half pounder.
How big is it?
I don't know. Oh no, you don't weigh bluegill. You just measure them by. You measure them normally. Well, catch you guys if we catch another fish. Hopefully we can catch a small bluegill, so then we can try snapping turtle fishing. But anyways, we'll see you then. Guys, I'm trying to film by myself, but I just caught a pretty nice bluegill. It's kind of a pain to, reel in by yourself, but hey, I did it, so. And I'd say this is the best one of the day. Probably. Right here. Anyways. Yeah, I was hoping to catch a crappie maybe today, but I don't know. It's not the easiest to catch crappie in this pond. I've only caught 4. So, I'll catch you guys on the next fish. Guys, dang it, I had a fish on, it flopped on the bank, and I tried to get the camera out, but it ended up falling off before I could get the camera. And yeah, like I I said, flopped on the bank. So, see if I can't try to catch him again. Get some pretty good bites, but biting like right at the bank. But anyways, Colt's casting, he supposedly cast it and the reel messed up or something like that. I don't even know. Not even worried about him basically right now. He's back at the Ranger doing something. And I switched worms. I'll try to. It slid down. This worm's a little small for this hook. But the blue, I've been fishing with it a bunch, so I think I got used to it. Anyways, it's just this pink and purple with some sparkles on it, and it's got a white tail. And I haven't switched spinners. So, hopefully we can catch you. Hopefully we'll catch another fish. If I don't catch a fish in the next couple casts, I'm leaving, because I only caught, what, 4? And normally we catch a little more than 4. I got 1 earlier. And yeah, it's kind of windy. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of hot, and it's kind of been hot. We're supposed to get some rain tonight, which I hope we get, because we need rain. It's very dry around here. But the beans are up now by our house and by the pond, and the corn it's starting to look a little ropey, but it's doing okay. It just needs some rain now. We got about 5 or 6 inches about a month ago, I'd say, and yeah, basically, you know how I haven't seen our pond? It's not that big. We cut, so you'll see the stumps like over there about 2 winters ago. Me, Dad, and Papa and Colt, we cut the trees off the pond dam, and yeah, we cleaned everything up, and we added 4 cedars. There's the big one right there. There's one right here. One over there. And one right there. And we did leave. We had a tree over there. It died. We had a tree. We still have a tree there, but it also died. We're going to cut it down. So now we just have this tree for shade. So, I don't think I have anything else to talk about, really. So I'll catch you guys if we catch another fish. Well, guys, we'll catch you guys in the next video. We ended up not catching any more fish. I cast it for about 20 more times and didn't even get a bite. The catfish are starting to get a lot bigger in here, and we think they're starting to eat the smaller bluegill and the meat, yeah. And then there's not near as many. So when they do bite, they're bigger ones. And yeah, I think they put a hurting on them. So, you know, I think that's a big reason why we're not catching near as many fish, because sometimes you'd catch 40, 50 within 30 minutes. So that'll be it for this video. You got anything to say, Colt?
No.
Get in the camera so they can see you. I haven't seen him all video. besides that one fish he caught. So, like I said, catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time. Trapping Bros out.